Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, this is Max & Sons Parfum again, and we are here once again, and we are going to unbox the Playboy New York. Okay, so we are going to unbox Playboy New York. Right, as you can see, Playboy New York has no like plastic wrappings unlike the other bottles, but usually the Playboy bottles do not have actually plastic wrappings, so they are like all of the items from the Playboy are not wrapped actually in plastics. Alright, so once again, this is Max & Sons Parfum, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss any of my content with this unboxing perfume and giving tips on how you use your perfume and how to become masculine and beast smelling men and women. Alright, okay, so Playboy New York launched a woody spicy fragrance named New York, thus enlarging the collection of fragrances, which includes Ibiza, Hollywood, Malibu, Miami, and Vegas editions. Alright, so Playboy New York is a woody, spicy fragrance for men. Of course, as you can see, for men, Playboy New York was launched in 2010. Okay, 2010. Top notes we are vanilla. We have aldehydes and lime. Middle notes are green apple, black pepper, and elemi raisin. Base notes are vanilla, tonka bean, and vetiver. Okay, so we are going to unbox now. Alright. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to open on this side. Okay. Oh, right. So by the way, this is the front box. This is the side. This is the back, as you can see. Okay, and we have also the other side, which is alright, as you can see, and the bottom of the box. Okay, so I believe this is the codes. Alright. Okay, so if we open now, okay, so this is the New York, this is the bottle, as you can see now. Alright, and it has engraving here, Playboy engraving here, as you can see. If you touch it, you can feel it, the Playboy, and you have also the logo. Sorry about that. Here it was engraved also, as you can see. Alright, okay, and we have here the New York. Alright, so the color is a little bit powerful, the liquid I should say, and as you can see, this is the cup, and the cup, as you can see, the Playboy here, and the cup is very visible. Okay, alright, and we have also the codes. Okay, as you can see the codes here, it was engraved also. When you touch it, you can feel it that these are engravings, not sticker. Unlike the other usual perfume, sometimes it is a sticker sometimes, but this bottle of Playboy is I should say, is engraved, as you can see clearly on the video. Okay, and we need to open it. Okay, inside the cup. You cannot see anything inside the cup. Okay, alright, so this is how it looks like without the cup, and we need to spray it. Let's try it. Okay. Oh my god, it smells like heaven. Okay, it smells like masculine. Okay, it smells like something that is out of the ordinary. Okay, so the main accords is vanilla. We have the vanilla, we have aromatic, smells fresh, spicy, fruity, citrus, aldehydic, green, and sweet. So these are the smell, the mixture of that. Okay, and I think best wear during the night. Day also is okay. Summer, spring, but not really in winter or fall. So you might think twice before you use it in fall or winter. But if you are living in Asia, which I'm living now in Thailand, so you can just wear it anytime that you want. During the day, during the night, it's okay. Alright, so this is again the box, as you can see. Okay, so this is the box, and this is the bottom of the box. Alright, this is the back, as you can see clearly. Alright, so if you want to buy this bottle, this is not expensive also. I believe this is like less than $15 actually. So you can just message me on my Facebook page, Max and Sons Parfum, and you can message me to order this one anytime soon. So I think that would be all. And once again, this is the Playboy New York, the unboxing of Playboy New York. Okay, so unboxing of Playboy New York. Alright, okay, see you again, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. See you.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.